Well, hello, Computer Bee students. It's Mr. Dale here, and today we're going to be working in Excel again. And I have taken the liberty of entering all the data into our employee data sheet for you. And I did that for two reasons. I did it to save time, and I also did it to ensure the accuracy of all of our data, that we all have the same information. So today, just open up the employee data spreadsheet, and you're going to be creating 4 worksheets with that information. Also, I need you to open up the direction sheet that's attached with it in the post, and we're going to be using that to follow it step by step to finish the project. Again, this is individual work. I will be walking around the class to help those that might need a little extra help, but I prefer that you all do some problem solving, critical thinking, to make sure this is done right. All right, let's all get to work.